Hey guys, Ernie Yarbrough here. We've had several questions over the last, I don't know, few weeks or whatever about using OilyApp Plus, getting the most out of your business, and all that jazz. So I wanted to take a moment to just walk you through using OilyApp Plus, where to find some resources, where to find the incredible library of resources and training materials, information, education, all of the awesome stuff that is your OilyApp Plus. Now, just a heads up, it's going to be we are going to be doing a little bit of a redesign, and it'll be going from OilyApp Plus to OilyApp Pro. But don't worry, when that comes, we'll make a fresh video and show you. In the meantime, let's take a look. So I've come to oilyapp.com, right? And I have logged into my account, okay? And so when I log into my account, I'm going to see the login button go away, and then I have here my library, right? So obviously we've got home, contact, what OilyApp Plus is, right? List of online courses, our store with all of our amazing resources, whether it's OilyApp Plus or our app or our books or you name it, right? Podcast, our Spanish resources, but then obviously my library. I'm logged in, right? I can click on the icon, there we go. Or I can just click on my library, right? My online library, all right? And so what happens is when you do this, right now, the way the OilyApp Plus is laid out is you will see a list of courses and classes, right? And you'll see the most recent ones toward the top, right? So you got the oils of the Bible in you, boost, freedom from guilt and shame, PTSD and essential oils, and so on and so forth. Of course, you've got several pages because we've got a ton of amazing classes for you. But let's just go in here and look at, for example, let's look at the oils of the Bible in you. So click View Course, okay? And so we've got all these different videos here for oils of the Bible, right? For videos. You can click Start the Course. Now some other ways that we have classes. Some classes are just videos, but a lot of them have a lot of graphics, JB&60 videos attached to them. Watch JB&60. JB&60 is Dr. Jim Bob Haggerty in 60 seconds or less explaining the use of the products. Product or products, depending on if what you're looking at has more than one product associated with it, right? So let's go here to page 2, and let's go on down. Keep going here, actually. Let's go back a little ways here. All right, and go to 4. Let's see here. Here's a good one right here, the Feelings Kit. Okay, so if you click on View Course, right, for Feelings Kit, you'll see that there are 3 videos and the script and ebook for the Feelings Kit. And then you'll see we did a fantastic leadership Zoom with Dr. Jim Bob Haggerty. So several of these you'll actually have a Zoom you can click on and listen to the Zoom call, getting great teaching and information. Now with a lot of these classes, there's also a set of graphics, right? So here's how to use the feeling kits, valor, harmony, forgiveness, and so forth. These are all you can download these, share them on your social media. And then also, here is a business resource attached with this class, Elite Express. You can check that out as well. And then as you can see here, for all the different oils and the kit, right? Each of these are a JB&60, where JB in 60 seconds or less explains each of these to you. It's fantastic material. And this one has a bonus video, Emotional Wholeness Checklist from the YL Summit, right? It's a bonus video from the YL Summit, and it's got a helpful graphic there as well. Okay, so again, the way to think of this is that your OilyApp Plus is designed in the context of classes, with the most recent at the top. And so as you look through these, right, you're going to see these classes, and as you click on any of them, you'll see either the related downloads, QuickBooks, videos, sessions, whatever it is, breakouts, in this case the advanced, right? Graphics, whatever teaching materials, videos are associated with those classes, look at these guys as classes. So that's how you use OilyApp Plus as far as accessing it. And then as far as using it to help you understand the products itself, obviously you need to get in here and enjoy these classes, because each of the videos are like usually 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes each, usually, so they're not too long. They're really helpful and educational. Now, in terms of using OilyApp Plus for building your business or sharing with others, lots of these classes have shareable graphics that you can download and drop into your social feeds. Obviously, there's the educational aspect where whether you're doing one-on-ones or group classes, you can go in and share some of these videos and let them watch after you've logged in. You can also go over here to online courses if you want to access and see what else is available in your OilyApp Pro. You can drop in here on online courses. So when you click that guy, again, this is after you're logged in, right? And you can go to here is the table of contents. So let's click Learn More. All right, so you can expand these guys on how it's organized. Where do I find JB's content? Which courses do I have access to? Of course, if you're logged in and you're OilyApp Plus member, right, as it tells you, you'll have access to every course below. But you can see here as you scroll down, here's links, quick links to kits, right? Here's other product related classes, all right? Here's health and body system classes that are favorites, right? May not be every single thing that we have, but these are the big ones, or at least several of the really popular ones. Emotional health. Here's some links for men, and there's women. Dr. JB's teaching on hormones. Here's some on kids and pets and lifestyle. How to leverage your membership with Young Living. Comp plan, extra special photos, thrift store. Just more video series, and Wild to You, which is our Young Living to You, right? Which is where we go to farms, we go to Young Living places, and we shoot video so that you get you have Young Living brought to you. You have a special up close feel about being able to see the farms and to see firsthand the amazing things that Young Living is doing in bringing farm to table, seed to seal products from the farm to your family. And those are just a few of those there. Some links to some audiobooks, and you'll have more audiobooks in some of the classes as you drill through, and then some free downloads. So if you want to really utilize OilyApp Plus, the two things to focus on are the online courses section and then going into the table of contents, and then also clicking on My Library, where you'll see the list of classes where you can go into each class and see the videos on that class, possibly a Zoom call, all the special graphics related to that class that you can then use in your one-on-ones and your classes to show, and social media to share. And then you can also see there the JB and 60, as Jim Bob explains in 1 minute or less, each of the products, how to use them, how to understand them. Fantastic material. So I hope this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, just drop those below here, whether it's about OilyApp Plus or about the app off the App Store or anything else related to OilyApp, Spanish resources as well, and we will be thrilled to help you out. So thank you for your time, and I hope this has been helpful.